Hi friends, Namaste. Today we are going to see about green leafy vegetables, which is very good for health, which has good medicinal benefits. I heard it from many people. This green leafy vegetable is very good for kidney. It is called different names from different languages and different regions. Even in the same language, it is called with different names. In Telugu, it is called Galjeru Punarnava green leafy vegetable. It is very good for health. Don't miss to eat it. So if you have the possibility, if you see the green leafy vegetable somewhere, buy it and eat it. Do not miss it. And luckily I have that Punarnava, got it growing automatically in my garden. Let's see its benefits and the harvest of Punarnava leaf. Come, let's go into the video. You can see the Punarnava Galjeru. It has come automatically in few of my pot. This is a green color Punarnava. I do have a pink color ones. I will show you. So the previous one was the green Punarnava, and this is the red one, which is having different pinkish or reddish color stem. I do have in few other parts. So let's harvest this. So I'm harvesting it, and we can put this stem also. So if you see, so these are all the seeds. It has to become matured and black color, and we can harvest the seeds and grow more leafy vegetables. As I said, see, this one got matured. Can you see it in the camera clearly? Let me focus. Yeah. So it will be like this, and we have to take the seeds from it. And sow it separate in the separate part. See, these are all the seeds. Just you put it so that it will grow. Okay. Today night it rained. Night it rained in Hyderabad. So rainwater is very good for the plants. So let's move on to the other part for the harvest. So this is the harvest from this plant. Let me harvest this one. So friends, if you find these green leafy vegetables, you see this. So you see this, it will be like this. So if you find this vegetable, please eat it at least weekly once. Do not miss it. we can find it in many places. This one growing automatically. So we can keep the stems also for the regrowth. Through the stems also we can grow the independent individual plants. So you can see the matured seeds here. So if I open this, you could see the seeds in it. Okay, so this black color seeds we can sow it. So like this only, in each node we can find the seeds. That is the reason we can find it automatically everywhere. Also few times birds or in the cow dung manure we can see this green leaves. It's coming automatically. If you put cow dung manure, it may come automatically. Birds may put this, and in many ways it comes automatically. So I think from my garden, maybe birds or through the cow dung vermicompost. So I leave this to regrow again. One more harvest from one more plant. Let's harvest. So if you pluck, it regrow nicely. So pluck the stems. So from one more pot, see the leaves. Yeah, too much of anything is not good, so let's eat only the required quantity. I hope this is sufficient for today's cooking. I'll show you the harvest. So as I told you, this is sufficient for today's cooking. So hope this video would be useful to you. If you like the video, please do subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you. Namaste.